Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to backup or restore a virtual machine in Hyper-V. So without further ado, let's get right into it. There are two primary methods to backup and restore a VM in Hyper-V: copy, paste VM files, export, import the VM. Each method has its advantages and trade-offs, depending on your needs. Method 1. Copy-paste VM files. This method involves manually copying the VM's files. Backup, copy, locate the VM folder, open Hyper-V Manager and find the VM's storage path. The default path is usually copy the entire VM folder, including XML, configuration file, VHDX, virtual disk file, snapshots and log files, if any. Store the copied folder in an external drive or another location. Restore, paste. Copy the backed up VM folder to the same directory on the target machine. Open Hyper-V Manager. Select Import Virtual Machine, and browse to the XML file to re-register the VM. Start the VM. It should work as before. Pros: fast and simple, preserves exact VM state, no conversion required. Cons: may break if restoring on a different Hyper-V version or system. Snapshots or linked files might be missing. Method 2. Export, import VM. Hyper-V provides an export virtual machine feature, which packages everything into a structured backup. Backup, export, open Hyper-V Manager, and go to Action, then Export. Select the VM to export. Choose a destination folder and click Export. Restore, import, open Hyper-V Manager, and go to Action, then Import Virtual Machine. Select the exported VM folder. Click Import and configure VM settings. Start the VM. Pros: more portable, works across different Hyper-V versions, self-contained and structured backup, easier to transfer VMs to another system. Cons: takes more time to export, import, may require reconfiguration after import. Which method is best? For local backups and quick restores, use copy-paste. For migrating VMs or structured backups, use export, import. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.